All right, so we just saw the magic trick of how you mix blue and yellow together to make green. We're gonna do that ourselves now to make a tree. And I have it at an angle here because that's how it's gonna fit on your desk better. It would not fit so well if I tried to fit it like this and have it the real direction of a tree, the up and down direction. So we're just gonna turn it to the side because right now we're just going to be making this tree green, and it's okay if it's angled at the side if it fits better. So I'm gonna come around to everyone and I'm going to squirt some yellow and some blue onto your tree. These are liquid watercolors, and you are going to mix them together to make your tree green. Now, yellow is much lighter than blue. Blue is darker. This is lighter. You can see just by putting them together that this one is a little bit lighter than this one. So that means the blue is stronger, and we need to use less of it when we mix our colors together. If I used the same, maybe 2 drips of yellow and 2 drips of blue, since blue is so much stronger, it wouldn't really make green. It would still almost look blue. So when we mix colors, we need to use more of the lighter one. So I'm gonna come around and I'll give you some squirts of yellow and then a tiny squirt of blue. And then you get to do the mixing with a cotton ball. So with the cotton ball, you are going to start dabbing it up and down all around your paper. And it looks, and you can see the green came through here, but we didn't make enough of it. So I'm gonna make sure that I have enough, and I might have to mix them or pour them in certain areas so it will cover your tree better. Remember, just a little bit of blue compared to the yellow. And you're not rubbing it. See how I'm pressing it up and down, up and down? And it looks like I need more blue down here. You see that green? And it's okay if you go a little bit outside that tree line that I have drawn on your paper. It's okay. You're gonna try to stay inside that line, but if you go outside of it, it is okay. And if you run out of paint, just like I have 2 times now, just let me know and I'll come and I'll pour you some more. Some yellow and then a drop of blue. It's a big drop. But you see how I'm pinching my cotton ball here? So I want the color, that green color that's mixing together on one side. It is soaking through a little bit, but if you just pinch it, you're not going to get your fingers dirty. If they get a little dirty, that's okay. Oh, I hope this will last me to the rest of my tree here. It's gonna be close. I see some yellow, I see some blue, but I mostly see green. And in a real tree, you might see different colors like that. It's not just going to be all green, whether it's a tree that looks like a Christmas tree, which is what this one looks like, or a different kind of tree. The leaves, even green leaves, have different colors. And if you look really closely, you might see some yellow, you might see some blue. They're not just solid green every time. So it's okay if you see some of these other colors like blue and green on your tree. All right, that looks pretty good. When you're done, this goes in the garbage, and you might need to wash your fingers a little bit, but hopefully they're not too dirty.